First of all, I am very thankful to all of you to support me and support this channel. And right now, I'm just want to make this channel huge, and I'm not able to do that thing without your support. So please support me to make this channel big, and do share, like, and subscribe to this channel for their channel growth, because it's your channel and it's our responsibility to make this channel big. Thank you.
Hello, good
Hello.
evening. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Great, great. And how was your day today?
Day is fine. Just a normal day.
Okay, okay. So I asked you how was your day, right? So you will say it was fine, like in the past tense only. You said it is fine, right? So just
Oh,
make sure you like just pay attention to the tense that is there in the question, and accordingly you can answer. So then you won't make that mistake. Okay?
okay.
Yeah. So how was your day today?
It was fine.
Okay, great, great. All right. So, where are you exactly from?
I'm from Haryana, ma'am.
Haryana, right? And since when have you been living there? Like, you live there, or have you like shifted there, or what is it?
No, I born in my place.
Okay, I was born here. Yeah.
I was, yes.
And you have been working there only.
Yes.
Okay, great, great. So, like, where did you complete your college?
I completed it like 2020.
Okay. So, like, no, no, from where? Like Haryana itself.
No, Dehradun.
Dehradun. Wow. And then you came back to Haryana for your job.
Yeah.
Great, great. Okay, so have you gone through the session document today?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So today's topic is helping a friend move. Right.
Helping a friend move.
Is it not the topic?
I didn't check this. I don't
Okay.
know what's
So,
the
so
topic.
okay, you said that you have gone through the session document. Have you? Like, I just want to confirm if we both have different topics or same. Have you gone through the session document, like the topic today?
No, I didn't check it. I didn't check it.
All right, all right. Then all right. No, if in case you had got a different topic, we could do that. That was not a problem. But
Okay.
yeah, so today's topic is helping a friend move. Okay. So basically, now since like you said, you are in Haryana and you were born and brought up there, so you have a pretty good idea of your place and city and all that, right? So the topic goes like a friend of yours is shifting to your city and is unaware of everything around the city. So, when they're shifting to a city and you have been there for a very long time, so you can help them and guide them for various things, right? So you can tell me, although when I'm not aware, so let's assume I'm your friend and I come to your city, okay? So you will basically guide me through. Okay, so you can, name the actual places and all of that. But yeah, I would ask you certain questions and you will answer those regard in those aspects. All right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So how will you make her familiar with the city? Which places would you take her to visit?
I can't understand that question, ma'am,
Okay.
properly. Can you
How,
can you repeat
yeah.
it?
How will you make her familiar with the city? Like like I said, let's assume I'm coming. So I have come to the city for the first time. And I think, so let's assume I have my college there. So I will have to spend, 1 or 2 years in that same city. But since you are there helping me initially, so how will you make me familiar with the city and where all would you take me? So you can name the places that you have around your city. And yeah.
Okay. Uh, First, I just know about where you go, where are your college, and
So firstly, I will ask you where your college is. Okay? Because it is
is
one
where.
college, I am only one. So you won't use are, you'll say is. Okay? Yeah. So
Okay, and
so can you please
uh,
repeat this
I
again? Firstly,
firstly, I just ask you that where your college is,
hmm,
and uh, after then I just ask you just what kind of the like uh you accommodation you need,
hmm.
and I have.
Okay, just sorry to interrupt, but okay, so when we talk of such hypothetical situations, okay, like this is not actually happening, it might happen or something, right? So it has not happened, it is not happening. It might happen in the future, or it might not happen at all, but it is basically an imaginary situation that we are talking about. So for such imaginary situations, we'll always use the future tense. Okay, so you will say that I will ask you, I will get to know. Okay, you'll use will in between. So you're just skipping that word and saying the rest of it. So the rest is fine. Just include will as well. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, I'll ask you that where you want to like live, and how,
Okay.
and
Yeah.
uh,
So can you tell me which
and
college is there around your city? Any college that you know, so that we can talk in that reference.
yes, in my city there is a American college, and there is a particular college of girls that's called GNG,
Okay.
Guru
All
Nanak
right.
Girls College.
Yeah. So let's assume
Okay,
I have taken admission in that and I want to stay in a PG. Okay, in a paying guest. So then
okay,
you
okay.
can tell me accordingly.
Then I help you. I will help
I
you
will
to.
help you. Yeah.
I will help you to find those PGs, and some flats or some independent houses where you want to live in that particular places.
Hmm.
So I will help you at in these aspects, and
Okay.
so where you
Assume.
feel comfortable.
Yeah, so I feel like obviously if I'm moving, I will obviously have those. I mean, maybe you can help me find the best one. But apart from that, so it is basically like, so when we say a friend is moving to your city, it's like, no, it's not like I ended up there suddenly without any plan or something like, right? So I will obviously have those there. But you being there and me knowing you, how would you be helpful to me? So when I say familiar, making me familiar with your city, it is mostly like the places that I would have to go on a general basis, like maybe some grocery store or some mall or park or something where I can later on go. And how would I know about those places? Because you told me, right? Other than that, this living like stay and stuff, obviously I will have those planned. Like let's assume that is how it would be. So yeah. What all places would you take me to familiarize me with your city?
I will familiarize with the malls, with the grocery stores, which is
Mm,
located in that particular city,
mm,
and where you found your things of your daily needs,
mm.
and I will get the like accommodation in that particular place where you don't have to go much, and this kind of things will help you that you can walk around all the places, and you can like uh, take your all kind of things in that particular places.
Yes, yes, exactly. So that is what. So like I live in Patna, right? So let's assume if you are coming to Patna and I need to guide you. So I can say that obviously I would take you to the mall that we have here, maybe to the zoo that we have, where you can maybe go for outings and all. Then I could take you to Golghar. Have you heard of Golghar? It is a famous monument, you can say. Yeah, that's all right. That's all
Okay.
right. Yeah, but it's a little famous. So it is located in Patna itself. So being in Patna, you should go there at least once, I feel. So we have the Golghar,
Okay.
then we have the Patna Museum. So like those are the places that would obviously, if you are here for a tour, for a trip, you would make sure you go to those places, right? So obviously not in a day, but someday or the other you would go to some of these places, right? So that you can familiarize yourself more with the city. Okay. So what is the meaning of the word familiar? Knowing the city. Okay, right.
No.
Yes.
Okay.
So
The
when
city.
yeah. So when I say familiarize me, which means you need to make me know the various places and buildings and all that are there in the city. Okay. So
Okay.
uh, did you know the meaning of the word familiar, or was it new to you?
No, I didn't know. It's I heard it,
I have heard
but
it. Yeah.
yes, but I
Did not know
don't
the
know the.
exact meaning. So you know what?
Yes.
Even like in the like rest of the questions or rest of the sessions, in fact, whenever you come across a word that maybe I am mentioning or any other speaker is, make sure you ask us what it means if you don't understand. Otherwise, we won't know, right? And when you are
Okay.
thinking, we'll assume that you are thinking of the answer when you're trying to figure out what it means, right?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
you don't need to worry about that. You just need to let us know so that we can explain it, right? So
Okay.
familiarizing something which means making somebody understand or making them know about